here it is. This is my 2004 Montesa Cota 315R. It's a 250cc two-stroke motor. Montesa is owned by Honda, so it has a Honda motor. Honda Corporation bought Montesa back in the mid-80s. So from what I'm told, this is one of the more durable trials bikes. Most trials bikes don't come with seats, so this was an add-on that I put on, as well as the larger fuel tank. This is twice the capacity of the OEM tank, and still it's just over a gallon. So with those, I'll be able to do a little more trail riding. I kind of call it adventure riding. I don't see myself as just sticking out a rock pile and doing trials riding. I like to ride the trail, find some rocks here and there, some logs, and play around. I'm absolutely new to riding trials, so I'm not good. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun on it. I've only ridden it a handful of times. This being a 2004, it's a green sticker bike, and if you're familiar with California laws, the red sticker and the green sticker, I think they switched most two-strokes to red sticker in 2003, I believe. But for whatever reason, this 2004 is a green sticker bike. It's possible because Montesa is a small manufacturer that I think there are some different rules for emissions. So as far as I can tell, that's probably the deal, because I've seen other 2004 two-strokes Montesas that are green sticker as well. I did put on an aftermarket fender that's a little bit straighter up to give it a little more modern look. The OEM fender kind of came flat. It just made it look a little bit better. This motor has a lot of low-end torque. It's got the Honda HRC motor. Some guys run CR250 clutch plates in it, so that kind of gives you an idea how similar they are, but they're not. The pistons are different, the rings are different. The suspension is really, really soft. So I'm gonna look into that, maybe stiffen it up for trail riding a little bit, because on fire roads, if you hit a big root or a rut, the suspension bottoms really, really easy. It's great if you're just doing trials riding, but I wanna do a little more adventure style riding with it. I've wanted one of these for about 16 or 17 years now, but I couldn't afford one back then. So I was finally able to pick up a used one, and it's a dream come true for me. This thing is an absolute blast to ride. If you keep up with enduro nowadays, a lot of the top riders have a background in trials bikes. It just teaches them skills and fundamentals that transfer over to the big bikes. So I'm hoping I pick up some more skills and get to be a little better rider. This has really helped my confidence in a lot of ways. Just learning how to ride over logs has given me more confidence to try riding over logs on my Husky, and I've been able to ride over things that I never thought I would be able to in the past. So some of those skills are already transferring over. I don't know what I'm doing as a trials rider, but this thing is an absolute blast to ride. I'm up at Shaver Lake towards Bald Mountain. Let's take this thing out on the trail and have some fun.